Good evening, sir. By the way, I am Jade Alfred Padernal. So, the selection of object. The object I choose is guitar. I chose the guitar because it is one of most important things to me. This guitar comforts me, especially when I have problems at school. Whenever I feel stress or trouble, I just play the guitar, and somehow my problems feels lighter. It's like it's like I express everything through singing and playing song. I'm playing a music rather. It is also very memorable to me. Before I actually wanted to ask my mother for a bike, but she didn't allow me because she was afraid something's bad might happen to me. So instead for a bike, I decided to ask for a guitar. At the time, I didn't really have a choice because I just wanted something to be bought for me. So I chose the guitar. And as time passed, I slowly learned how to play it. I'm not really that skilled yet. Just know how to play little, but I'm improving a little by little, and allow me to play. And last but not the least, the expression. So when I imagine my object, immediately think of music. Of course, my object is guitar, so belong gini siya sa music, sa arts, and through it, I can express all my feelings sa akong istorya pa ganiya din. And recently, we even started slowly building a youth choir rather, in our Catholic Church chapel. So, daghang salamat.